Alright, welcome back to Man Time, ladies and gentlemen. Today is in fact Man Time. I'm going to be running some equipment here, using the dump truck to haul loads of dirt back and forth to the site where I'm cutting the path for the water line. And I've got the 555. I'm going to try that out, scooping dirt and loading it. We'll see how that works out. I haven't really used it too much for moving dirt around and using the bucket since I've had the Mahindra most of the time. And yeah, I'm already sweaty and dirty, and contrary to popular belief, it's okay to get sweaty and dirty as a man. So I enjoy it thoroughly, and I hope you're enjoying the videos here. Looking at equipment, looking at man time and men doing real things. So let's just jump into it, get some dirt loaded in the truck here. Welcome to Man Time. the dirt, did I? That's not good. The next steps are going to be getting some of this dirt pulled back down with the backhoe. So let's jump in there, flip around, and use that backhoe to get this where I can continue to be productive here. Whew. Well, that's going to be it for today on Man Time. Ladies and gentlemen, the Ford 555 performing excellent today. It wasn't quite as efficient as scooping up each bucket load of dirt as the Mahindra might have been. And I've been talking about that, but I've been thinking about it. With the ability to scrape all that clay and that dirt down from the hillside there and put it into a scoopable form along with actually scooping it, I think that it would actually be the better option back here, regardless of the Mahindra's bucket power and controllability. And there's a manufacturing term that comes to mind when thinking about that is throughput. Throughput is a term for manufacturing getting a completed product to the customer. And in this case, with moving the dirt, the completed product is a dump truck load of dirt down to the waterline site there. And I think with the Ford 555 supplying the dirt to the dump truck and then dump truck to the site there, I think I was able to get more throughput, and that's really the most important part. If you're looking to get into manufacturing and any sort of form or fashion, whether it be manufacturing for something personally you're making or a manufacturing facility that makes things, know about throughput. And one of the first places to start there is a book called The Goal. That's what really sparked my mind into thinking a different way about getting completed product to the customer, which is ultimately the goal of manufacturing, right? All the other stuff is noise and stuff you have to figure out, but if you keep in mind that throughput and finished product is the ultimate goal, those things are all accomplishable with tools that are readily available, you know, through industrial engineering and different things out there. So, at any rate, that's going to be it for today on Man Time. Thanks for joining me, and get out there, have you some man time too.